Miss Orange, how different is this pledge among the existing service commitments of the rest of the market?
Actually, when you talk about fast and reliable, people will just, will just see it as the internet itself, just a connectivity. But then, we think that it would be a differentiator if we can be closer to our customers, starting syempre dito sa mga condo dwellers, no, and be able to give our services closer to you so that we could cater to your needs quicker. Kasi nga, nakasalalay yung ating yung work from home natin, gaming, entertainment, learning, lahat yan nakasalalay sa connectivity. So, if ever magkaroon man ng problem, then we can cater to your needs faster. If you need to, upgrade because your needs have already changed, diba? Or you want to get other services, 12 hours, within 12 hours din yan. And for those na hindi pa rin, no, nakakonect sa Converge, gusto magpa-install, within the day, within the same day, we can actually install.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.